My name is James Owen. I'm the Head of Research and Technology for Safran Electrical and Power Pitstone, and it's my honour today to accept this award on behalf of the team that are behind AeroMC. AeroMC has been a 4 to 5 year foundational project where the group of Safran, Warwick Manufacturing Group and the Manufacturing Technology Centre have worked together as an integrated, brilliant, fantastic team. We've used a great team dynamic to be able to rely on the expertise of everybody involved to be able to build a research capability and a pilot line that allows Safran to take its products into the future with a semi-automated production system, and to know that in the future we can build these things sustainably, reliably and repeatedly. We've built a good strategic future together where we intend to keep on working together, keep on exploiting the brilliant relationships and knowledge that all of us bring to the table, and keep moving, leading this way into the future, showing the way that we all work in aerospace should be to work together for the common good and for a bright future.